Yo, I'm Austin. I'm Every's head of growth, and I'm a non-engineer trying to vibe code his entire job. It's a project I've been working on for like 3 weeks, and I demoed it to the Every team this morning. And basically, what it is it's just a set of instructions with a bunch of connections inside of Claude Code that I start using as a command center to do everything from send emails to our CEO, scheduling time with him to chat about growth initiatives, using Claude Code to do research and strategy analysis on the latest info for our YouTube numbers, our Twitter numbers, our paid subscription numbers from Stripe, never having to leave the Claude Code terminal. And I'm really excited about it. To me, this is just like the first step of what I think is possible here. And I'm going to do a series of videos on where it leads. So check it out. All right. I'm gonna recreate a demo I showed the Every team this morning of the thing I built last night. So it is a growth hub for Every living inside of Cloud Code. I type in Every, I get access to it. I can do a thing where I say, can you list everything this tool has access to? I pulled up Monologue to do it. We'll let it run. That way I can show you all the things we're pulling in, both to be able to get data, but also to actually automate tasks that I do every day so that this can happen in the background, or so I can kind of um, like run my whole work operating system from here instead of a bunch of different tabs and apps. So it can look at all of our Stripe data, all of our newsletter data, all of our social data across YouTube. We're going to add X later. We have a lot of our data in PostHog, our Figma files, and it can push a bunch of stuff to Notion. So the thing that I started with was simply asking, like, how are we doing on YouTube? This is running on Opus 4.5 to pull from the like an OAuth connection to our Google console. It's checking that all right now, and it will pull a data analysis for me based off instructions for like the things we care about on our YouTube as we push for growth there. So you'll see here a quick summary of the YouTube performance without me needing to leave the terminal, log in to the YouTube channel, check it out. So the thing I could do from here now is I can say, all right, can you push this to a new Notion page? And when you're done with that new Notion page, open it so I can see it. And then I also want you to draft an email to Willie, who's on this call, our head of platform, showing a summary of our YouTube performance, a link to the Notion document, and find us a time to meet this week to talk more about how we can use a combination of the Every platform and our YouTube strategy to grow the Every subscription bundle. Willie, you're here. You are a technical person. I am not. I have basically just been sitting in Claude Code asking it to do all of this for me. What's your take on this? What am I missing or not considering?
I mean, my honest take is this is actually absolutely amazing, especially from like a technical looking at like what's possible uh, from a non-technical perspective. I'm actually to kind of kick back to you. I'm kind of curious, like, what was your, what was like the original like I need this moment, and then what was your process from there to build up on like I don't have that I have that need like I assume you just didn't, from that 10 minutes later have like this whole suite of tools. Like what was your path?
Yeah, the path is like moving to this like small, fast moving, high growth startup. And this is the Notion page with the YouTube data that was made right here in the Every Notion under the Growth Hub. We'll do a little tour of this, then we'll keep going. I think it's going to keep, oh, it made the email as well. Let's see if it's in here. I'll refresh this page. Sitting in the drafts here. In a second. The Wi-Fi in Panama. Sometimes good, sometimes not. This is definitely a subject line I would write. To you, right there. There's an email. I love it. All right, what was the process for this thing? It's mostly like this feeling of being deeply overwhelmed by all of the like exciting opportunity we have and things there are to do. and feeling like I want to move faster. Also, I want to learn how to do this stuff. Like it's very inspiring and exciting being inside of this company, watching the product GMs, watching you do stuff and having y'all reiterate to us every day. Like it's actually much more accessible than you think. So a lot of it was a learning project. A lot of it was also like, I'm trying to run all this stuff for growth with our growth team. And what's really time consuming is like checking all the data, thinking through what to do next, keeping a to-do list, which is like really crazy for me. But I like have this to-do list here, and the agent is actually also synced to that to like check stuff off as it does it, and then to add stuff if I tell it I need to. And so I built this last night in like an hour, but it that happened after spending 3 weeks like plugging away at different versions of this in different like so many different places that like kind of were never right.
Cool. That's awesome. From a sort of the technical, non-technical, was this, I saw you kicked it off and you used the every command on the command line. Was this you with Claude Code and the CLI? Was this you with like Claude Code as a desktop app or Codex or any other form when you were actually like building this out?
Yeah. So up until like 2 weeks ago, I was purely Claude desktop app. I was like learning Claude Code in the desktop app. And I was trying to do something was taking forever, and I was like, let me try like a CLI just in the terminal locally. And I just like I finally got it. It made sense to me. It wasn't scary anymore once I did it a bunch. And it feels faster and more intuitive to me, especially because I'm not really working in here. Like I didn't read that YouTube summary in here. That still is like not really how my brain works. I want to read it in a Notion doc. That's what makes sense to me, or in an email. And now I'm just like firing it off to places where it like makes sense. So to build this thing, yeah, basically what I did was I opened up a Claude Code session. I made sure that compound engineering was on, because I find that that plugin like really helps this kind of like, especially the planning side of the work for someone who's a true doofus with this stuff. And then I was like, here's the final outcome I want, which is basically this for me. This is the outcome I described. And I was like, walk me through literally every step. Like an idiot, which is like what I said. And that took me through like setting API keys or like OAuth consent screens in Google Console, all of which I'd never done before. And as a former cook, like I don't know how to code, but I do know how to follow a recipe of instructions, and
Mhm.
that part was actually quite intuitive to me.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah. What should I do with this next?
I mean, I think the question is sort of like what's left? I know you mentioned that it doesn't have X posting. You got some more capabilities to sort of add to it.
Yeah, I think like there is like bring everything in. We don't have all of our social analytics tied in yet, but we definitely will. I just like need to ask Dan for an API to his Twitter. That's really exciting to me as the person like overseeing growth here, because every like social tool out there wants to charge you like tens of thousands of dollars a year, and we're about to build a replacement for it, basically just using Claude tokens. So that's exciting. And then the real thing next step here is like, how does the rest of the team start using this, right? Like this is living locally for me on my stuff. It can send Discord messages for me. What's the right way to make this so that it works for everyone without it becoming some like overly complicated piece of enterprise software that I think I'm probably not capable of building.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, my take on upon seeing this was sort of like I want this for me, but my job is very different than your job, you know.
Yeah.
And even though like I would have the capability to build this, like it looks so good and so helpful right from the jump. Like the Venn diagram of the things we need to do in terms of interacting with Notion, interacting with email, um, is close enough that I just sort of want a slightly, slightly customized version of it, but with everything else sort of set up in place.
Yeah, I think that's the place where we can lead this too. Is like one thing powering this is in the instruction manual is to like only build stuff that's agent native based off the
Yeah.
instructions that like Dan gave in his guide. And I think that's kind of the direction to go with this, of like anyone from our team should be able to, at the very least, like command line in a base version of this, get interviewed by the agent, and maybe even
Mm-hmm.
give their like skill level and be like, okay, you've never done this before. let's connect your Google Calendar with like an API or like your Todoist, which is actually very, very easy if you have that. And we could like build up from there.
Cool. That sounds awesome. Let me know when it
Sweet.
ships.
Hell yeah. All right. Let's post this bad boy. Thanks, man.